What machst du in deiner Freizeit? What do you do in your free time? Freizeit, free time, leisure. Was machst du in deiner Freizeit? This is a great conversation question. Germans love asking it. Break it down. Was, what? Machst du, do you do? In deiner Freizeit, in your free time. Was machst du in deiner Freizeit?
Ich spiele Fußball. I play football, soccer. Spielen, to play. Fußball, football. Fuß, foot. Ball, ball. Football. Ich spiele Fußball. Germany is obsessed with football. 4 World Cup wins. When a German says, Ich spiele Fußball, they mean it seriously. Ich spiele Fußball. Creative. Ich male. I paint. I draw. Malen. To paint. Ich male. Germany has an incredible artistic tradition. Dürer, Cranach, Ernst, and many Germans paint as a hobby today. Ich male gern. I like to paint. The gern adds enjoyment. Ich, verb, gern, means I like to do that thing. Ich male. Ich singe. I sing. Singen. To sing. Ich singe. Germany is the birthplace of Bach, Beethoven, Wagner, Brahms, and millions of Germans sing in choirs today. Ich singe im Chor. I sing in a choir. Im Chor. In the choir. But just the bass. Ich singe. Don't be shy. Singen Sie. Ich tanze. I dance. Tanzen. To dance. Ich tanze. Dancing is huge in German culture, from waltz to modern clubs. Ich tanze gern. I like to dance. The verb tanzen is even used for the famous German Christmas market tradition. Tanz den Baum. Dancing around the tree. Ich tanze. Ich fotografiere. I take photos. I photograph. Fotografieren. To photograph. Ich foh-toh-gra-FEER-eh. It's a long word, but you can hear the English photograph inside it. Germany has a strong photography culture. Leica cameras are German. Ich fotografiere. Capture your German adventure. Ich reise gern. I like to travel. Reisen, to travel. Gern, gladly, with pleasure. Ich reise gern. Remember, gern after a verb means you like doing it. Ich lese gern. I like reading. Ich koche gern. I like cooking. Just add gern and you express enjoyment. Ich reise gern. And hopefully to Germany soon. Ich spiele Gitarre. I play guitar. Gitarre. Guitar. Sounds familiar? Ich spiele Gitarre. You can use ich spiele for any instrument. Ich spiele Klavier. I play piano. Ich spiele Geige. I play violin. The Geige is particularly German. It's what they call the violin. Ich spiele Gitarre.